Hello friends, this is me LANEIGE. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my life's first ever makeup tutorial inspired by this year's color Living Coral. Let's get started. I'm priming my skin with LANEIGE Glowy Makeup Serum and it's the best serum ever. After serum, I am applying Innisfree Cherry Blossom Tone Up Cream because it's Eid makeup and I want to have a bright and pink complexion. You can see my review on this tone up cream above in the cards. To cover my dark circles, I am using Golden Rose Color Correcting Palette Salmon Color. I love this palette because it is easy to use and it's cheap too. Unfortunately, right now I have very bad dark circles due to less sleep in Ramadan. Now I'm using Moonshot's Micro Correctfit Cushion because it looks exactly like skin. It gives you a clean look and doesn't look cakey. At Eid we wear embroidered clothes, so it's better to not to go too heavy on face. Plus, cushions are quicker to work with and it gives you a very natural finish. Now I'm using Makeup Revolution's concealer to cover up my dark circles with Moonshot Sponge. For eyebrows, I'm using my favorite tint by ETUDE House. The best part is that it has this fork-like tips that helps in filling the eyebrows for a beginner like me. Using a clean spoolie, I blend the entire tint in my eyebrows so it looks even. Because my hairs are light red, I am going to use a red eyebrow mascara so my hairs can match my eyebrows. Using a translucent powder and pointed blush brush, I am going to pat it on my forehead, cheeks, around the nose area and laugh lines. Using the lightest shade in the contour palette, I am going to contour my face. Now using the darkest shade, I am going to contour the ends of my face and blend it with the lightest shade. Using my favorite ETUDE House eye primer, I am priming my lids. Using white eyeshadow from Primark's Rose Quartz palette, I am applying it on the entire lid. Now the white shadow is such a flop to be honest. Use blending brush and lilac color. I will apply this eyeshadow on the outer crease area. The eyeshadows are very light so chances of messing up are very low. I got this palette as a gift so I thought to use it here. Now I am patting the eyeshadow on the same area so the color shows. Apply the same eyeshadow to lower lash line as well. Taking a light pink eyeshadow, I'm going to apply it on the rest of the eyelid. Now whatever is left on the brush, we are going to use it to blend the edges. Using a silver foil shadow, apply it on the middle of the eyelid. Now I am taking pink shimmer shadow and applying it over the eye area near eye corner. Now I am taking liquid glitter eyeshadow by Peri Para and applying it in the middle of the lid. Taking the lightest shade of contour, I am applying it on the outer crease to add more depth and also applying it on the lower lash line. Taking a clean fluffy brush now, I am blending the edges again. Now, whatever is left on the brush, apply it above eye corner area. Now, I am going to tight line my upper lash line. Using a white pencil, apply it on the waterline. Using a pink shimmer shadow, apply it on lower lash line and on eye corners. I'm curling the lashes with Shu Uemura's eyelash curler and applying mascara of Maybelline, that is Lash Sensational, which is waterproof as well. Because neon blushes are in the summer, I'm applying 3CE's Soft Salmon on my cheek area, under the eye and over nose area as well. Apply a blinding highlight on nose. A little over the cheekbone, over the lips, under the eyebrows, and on the temples. Now I'm using 16 Brand Smoochie Pack for a subtle glow on the cheeks. Using Misha's Gelish Lip Slip in Stunning, I'm applying it on my lips. Now it is such a stunning color as it has shimmer or glitter particles in it, and I want to shine like a star. So this is my Eid look completed. What do you guys think about it? It is my life's first ever makeup tutorial. So do give me your feedback, please. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. This is me, LANEIGE, signing off. Bye.